In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to find Privacy Protection. Then tap on All Permissions and select one of your device's features to manage it. Tap on one of your apps and apply one of the available options. Camera access for this app allowed only while using the app, ask every time don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, Amazon shopping just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you wish to manage and select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!